I'm Sid with Campo. This is Byron, my dad, and we've been one of the pioneer van building companies over the last 10 years. We have a lot of experience building vans, not only him and myself, but our shop as a whole. And we've put all of our brains together to build these modules inside the course to make the most sense for somebody who's just starting out. So we've had so many questions throughout the years. You know, what's the best solar setup? What are the best batteries? What chassis do I build on? What's the easiest layout? And instead of just going through life and answering those one at a time, we're just pointing people towards this course now for all the answers that you could really ever need to build your own camper van.
I just have to keep coming back to the idea that I had to start someplace, and we're hoping if you're in that place, this might be a real helpful entry for you to join in, not only with the van life community, but just with your own desires of what you want to put in your vehicle and how you want to put it together. Join in with us. It's pretty exciting. We're stoked to be able to do this with you.
We are. We're very excited about it. We put in hundreds of hours of work editing it and getting a website together for it, and we're really proud of the resource that we've created for you. Yeah, again, we just ultimately hope that it helps you, because that's what the van building community really needs to be all about.